Are you ready for the most amazing cow videos ever to be published on YouTube? Great! We have assembled the most incredible cow videos from across the globe. Along the way, we will learn cow facts, hear cow sounds, and get up close to funny cows like never before. For more cows or for our kids' videos, preschoolers, kindergarten, first and second graders, be sure to click subscribe for future videos. Enjoy this cow video and all of the beautiful cows, children. Cow fact. Did you know there are over 1,000 different types of cows? If you thought that was an amazing cow fact, just guess how many cows are on Earth. Cow fact. There are over 1 billion cows on the planet. Wow, that's a lot of cows. All sorts of cows. Brown cows, black cows, white cows, beige cows, black and white cows, and so many wonderful colors of cows. Cow fact. These are Scottish Highland cows. Aren't they the most beautiful cows? Cow fact. Boy or male cows are called bulls or steers. Cow fact. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow fact. Girl or female cows are called heifers. When heifers become a mommy, we call them cows. Cow fact. We call all cows cattle. Cow fact. Cows mostly live on farms in wide open grasslands. If you are enjoying this wonderful cow video so far, please hit subscribe to see more cow videos in the future. Cow fact. Each cow eats up to 50 pounds of food per day. Cow fact. Each cow drinks up to 30+ gallons of water every day. Cow fact. Fully grown cows can reach up to 1,600 pounds. Cow fact. Why do cows say moo? Cows say moo in different pitch or sounds to express their emotion, just like humans. We adjust our tone of voice based on how we're feeling. Cows do not have a vocabulary of words, so listening to how they moo tells us what they are feeling. For more cow videos in the future, hit subscribe and visit animatedreads.com. Thank you.